Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I really wanted to bring you guys this beautiful red makeup look because it's Christmas tomorrow, so why not? Hence my red shirt, rainbow, $7. You're welcome. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So starting off with a fresh face, I'm going to take my MAC Laying Low paint pot and I'm going to apply that onto my eyelids, and that's just going to be used as a base for my eyeshadow. It's going to be an eyeshadow primer for me. It's going to make the shadows pop out more and also make the blending go super quick and super easy. This is perfect for women of color. This shade specifically, a lot of MAC products are made for like women of color, and I love MAC. So if you guys need an eyeshadow primer, I recommend this MAC Laying Low paint pot. So next up, I'm going to take my princess tape. I got this from the dollar store. Ain't nobody got money for that, so it was $1. I'm just going to place that on the corners of my eyes and line it up to my eyebrows, the tail of my eyebrows. And this just helps me with the eyeshadow and also the cut crease because I am not a pro. So next up, I'm going to take my Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I got this in my November BoxyCharm box. I wanted to do a BoxyCharm unboxing, but it didn't go so well, so I didn't want to refilm it. So I'm just using this eyeshadow palette in this look. So I'm just going to place that in the crease because I don't want to bring it down too much because I'm going to do a cut crease. This is where you want to focus that eyeshadow at and just bring it along the tape. And you're just buffing this in. It doesn't matter how rough you are with it because we're going to clean this up later. So next up, I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm also going to take that really bright red shadow in that palette, and I'm just going to run it along the red eyeshadow that we had on before in the same spot, just to intensify that red and also make it deeper and more vibrant because that red was a dark red and this red is a more bright and colorful red. You just want to pop it out because you know it's Christmas. I'm trying to make it like really red, and don't worry, just put it in. Now we're taking a clean brush and we're just going to blend all of that eyeshadow out, and you want to make sure it's a clean brush, no product on there, just to blend and make it all seem seamless. Next up, I'm taking my MAC paint pot, the same paint pot we used before, just to do a cut crease. And you guys just want to use a steady hand when doing a cut crease. Don't do it too fast or you're gonna mess up. Just do it nice and steady so you don't have to redo it, because I've had to redo this, and if I had to redo this, guys, I'd be pissed. But we're just gonna do a nice cute cut crease. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I find using a tape helps me guide the cut crease. I'm not sure why, but that's just how it is. I'm weird. Now I'm just gonna take more of that paint pot and run it along my eyelid just to clean that up, and I'm gonna blend it out. Next up, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint, and I'm just going to use this red lipstick as a eyeliner because I do not have red eyeliner, and nor was I going to go out and spend money on red eyeliner. Sometimes you just have to improvise, and I am a smart, beautiful Haitian woman, so that is what I did, and I improvised. It's literally just like putting on a gel eyeliner, guys. Just be very careful. You can always clean it up with concealer. Next up, I'm taking my Dr. Branded face primer and also my Cover FX glitter drops, and I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just gonna blend everything all together. And I'm gonna put little drops on my face, and I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty face sponge and I'm gonna blend everything out. So lately I've been using the beauty blenders to blend out my products because we're back into winter time and I get super dry, and I find that when I use the sponges during the winter time it keeps some of that moisture, but in the summertime I just use brushes because it's hot. You're gonna get hot and sweaty anyways, so that's cool. So next up, I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Dark. I love this concealer so much. You guys see me rave about this so much. That is because this is the first concealer that does not dry out on me, and it does not crease up under my eyes, and when I put it on, it's nice and natural. Also, I have the correct shade for my skin complexion. So I'm going to go back using the Fenty Beauty face sponge, and I'm just going to blend all of that out under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and then I'm just going to bring a little bit on my forehead. You guys will see a little bit later. And I'm also trying to clean up just a little bit underneath that red eyeliner, just because it is a liquid lipstick, so it got pretty messy, but you guys can always clean it up. So next up, I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I got this in my December BoxyCharm box, and I will honestly say I love this setting powder. It is perfect for women of color. I'm not even going to lie. You guys will see the wonders of this setting powder. Next up, I'm going to take my MAC Film Noir blush, and you guys already know I use this as a contour powder. It works perfectly with women of color. It gives you that shadow and like it's a contour, but it's not. It's just blush, but at the end of the day, you just have to improvise, and it's makeup, so you know. I'm just going to apply that where I would normally contour, and you see how it just creates that hollow, like, you know, makes my face slimmer, cute, you know. And then I'm also gonna run that on the sides of my nose to slim down that spaceship. I'm also gonna bring that along my jawline, and I'm gonna take some more of that setting powder and carve out that contour. And this is when you guys are gonna see how this setting powder just brushes away. It doesn't leave any marks or anything. Works so well on my skin. I love this so much, and I didn't think I was gonna like it. So if you guys need a good setting powder and you guys are women of color, even if you're not, I highly recommend this setting powder. The lashes that I'm using is from Lashaholic. I also got that from my BoxyCharm box. Now I'm going to go back into that Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that same red eyeshadow and run it underneath my lash line. Next up, I'm taking this black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to run that in my lower lash line just to intensify the look just a little bit. Next up, I'm going to take my Black and Radiance blush in the color Raspberry. I'm just going to swirl that in there, and I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks and also my nose, just everywhere that I think needs a little bit of color. Next, I'm going to take my Revlon Eye Art glitter pencil. It's like a duo, and I'm just going to apply that onto the crease. You're basically like doing a cut crease all over again. Just use a very steady hand, and it's easy because you already have that outline. Next up, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm just going to apply that onto my lower lash line and also to blend in my lashes with the fake lashes. Next up, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, under my eyebrows, and also on top of my eyebrows just a little bit. I saw Kim Kardashian using it just like that, and it was so cute, and ever since then I've been doing it just like that. You see how trends start? And now I'm taking my MAC Ruby Woo pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips up with this, and you just want to use a steady hand, and you can always clean this up with concealer. Going back in with my Fenty Beauty lipstick I got for Christmas last year for my beautiful sister Jen. I love that bitch so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this lipstick on top of that MAC Ruby Woo lip liner. This is, to me, the perfect red. It matched with the eyeliner, obviously, because it's the same lipstick. Duh, Valerie. But it also just completed the look with the shirt and my red Haiti earrings. I don't know if you guys realized I am wearing Haiti earrings because I'm Haitian and I always love to rep my country. Next up, I'm going to take my Tarte lip gloss and I'm going to apply that onto that red lipstick. I just really wanted something glossy to complete the look. I'm not sure because it was gold and the cut crease on the eyes is gold, so it just called out to me. Plus, it was in my December BoxyCharm, so I had to use it. So that basically completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. Have a Merry Christmas. I love you guys. Bye guys. See you next year.